Oh my gosh.
What's good is AP? 1 in a billion and I'm back.
And it's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva.
Oh, yeah.
Show enough, and we're back.
We back.
Back.
Another hot show.
Hot
and as
show.
you see, we got some different scenery for y'all because you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're in beautiful
New York.
New York.
Long Island.
You know what I'm saying? We out here in LI and we doing it big. That's how we do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Wherever
enjoy
we
the
go.
scenery and enjoy the show. We just saw the Soul Train Music Awards
2012. Woo! Cedric the Entertainer once again conducted a really nice show. I love the skits, love the entertainment that he brought to the show.
Listen, it's a beautiful day to be black right now. You know what I'm saying?
Soul is in the building, baby.
Oh yeah.
It's just when the Soul Train Music Awards come, it just makes you feel so proud to be black. It's just so uplifting. It just feels good.
Nah, it's like it's no ratchetness going on. It's
No.
everything is just official
Class.
tissue.
Yeah,
And
it's so classy.
My thing is, it's funny that so many people that are members of the black community, we don't see them out for this particular award show.
No.
What does that mean?
I mean, it shows a lack of support. Hopefully, the schedule's too busy and just didn't permit. I saw a lot of soul urban artists. They always come
And we
support.
we actually were planning on attending, but we had some guests come in town, so I guess I can't talk.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? We had some guests come in town in Cali, so
sometimes schedules don't permit.
Alright, I'll give you a pass on that.
Right.
But I bet not have seen y'all at no other events the same day. But anyway, right into the performances.
The Soul Train intro. Oh my goodness, how could they go wrong? Just as soon as they started the show, they started it off with soul. We had Anthony Hamilton.
He ripped it.
That was so soulful.
He did the joint for my boy Bill Weathers. A lovely day.
He was in the crowd looking like,
he's like,
all right, boy.
He's like, all right, Negro, you better do this right. You better represent me official.
Because it wasn't a tribute. He was just covering it. So
yeah.
And he was there in the audience. But Anthony did good. He was hitting all the right notes.
He did his thing. He did his thing.
And then we had a Tina Marie cover. I don't know who the young lady was, but she did her thing.
She did her thing.
Stage presence.
Yeah.
And she hit all Tina Marie's notes.
Yo, that was hot. That was hot. Another hot one.
I'm telling you, the intro was just crazy. Of course, Raphael Sadiq.
Yeah, he was killing it.
Charlie, last name Wilson.
Oh yeah.
Gap Band.
Yeah, you gotta bring me out next time you do that joint.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Because that's when I come through, like I'm doing the sugar bar and all of them weddings and stuff. I'll be like, I don't want to compete with you. I want to eat with you. Have some little kids that I can beat with you. Want to walk them in my streets with you. Eyes on me. Forget them chicks that want to beef with you.
Give them a little hip hop.
You know what I'm saying?
Give it a little hip hop
flavor.
flavor.
Come on, Mr. Charlie.
And then we had Sister Fantasia taking them to church.
She took them to church.
You gotta love Fantasia.
Yo, her performances, I love them.
Fantasia.
Because the Holy Ghost just straight get in her and she just go in.
I thought she was gonna take her shoes off. I really did. I knew if she took her shoes off, it was it. But she kept her composure. That was pretty good.
That was good?
Yeah. Come on, y'all know Fantasia. Take her shoes off and get it.
Yeah, you gotta love her doing her craft because she does it and she gives her all.
She does.
That's what I love to see, man. I love to see that.
For exchange, to have someone who loves me from